Hello everyone, today we will see how you can change your display name on X. So first of all, you have to open the app. So as you can see, we're on the home page and there's a bunch of options. Don't worry, it can be a little bit overwhelming to look at first, but it's really simple. So what you have to do is you have to click the top left button where it shows your profile picture. And here you can see a bunch of more options. You have to just click on the profile option. So from this place, you can change everything about your profile, including your display name. So as you can see on the right side of our profile picture, it says edit profile. Click that. So as you can see here, it says name on the very top. And this is basically your display name. So we'll go ahead and edit it. You can type in the one that you desire. And after you're done with it, you can click the save button on the top right. So once you've saved it, as you can see here, your display name has been changed. I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.